Before we jump in, go ahead and smash that like button if you find these tutorials helpful. It really supports the channel. Let's get started. Toggle the hamburger icon and select Integrations. This is where you can integrate Google, Office 365, or Apple accounts. Once integrated, set one as your primary calendar. This is where all your TidyCal bookings will land. Enable your primary calendar for reading to avoid any double bookings. Under each account, you'll find the linked calendars. Enable these for reading if you want TidyCal to cross-check for existing events. Click on a calendar to see what TidyCal has picked up from your calendars. Any events picked up will automatically block those slots in your booking calendar. Use Zapier to trigger automated actions for new contacts, bookings, or cancellations. License perks. With your lifetime license, you get access to our API section. You can view documentation, create API keys, also known as personal access tokens, or even set up OAuth clients. Either create a new booking type or select an existing one to edit. Pro tip: see those small question marks? Hover over them for a quick tooltip. Click on them, and a help window pops up with more details. Now, let's name your booking type. Type the title into the designated field. Right below the title, you'll see a URL field. You can customize this URL, but remember, only use letters, numbers, and dashes. Moving on, the description field is optional. If you want to give your clients more context, fill this in. Duration. Set the duration of each booking. This is how long the meeting will last. Availability settings. You have two options here, weekly and specific dates. If you choose weekly, your daily time blocks below will repeat every week. For specific dates, you'll need to manually set your available dates. Time blocks. For those who chose weekly, you can set your available time windows here. Click Add Window to add more windows on the same day. You can add specific dates here that you're not available for meetings. The advanced settings. Limit how many days into the future a client can book a meeting with you. The more days you set, the more availabilities will show. You may block out time to not receive meetings in hours or minutes from the current time. Meeting padding. This is where you can add some buffer time to each meeting. Maybe you need a few minutes to prepare for your next meeting. This is what it's for. Just make sure the total time, meeting duration plus meeting padding, doesn't exceed your available time blocks. If this total exceeds your time blocks, TidyCal will not show any availability. Want to limit the number of meetings for this booking type? You can set the limits here. Set a maximum number of meetings per day, week, or month. Locations. You have several choices for where the meeting will take place. Online video conference for virtual meetings. This could be via Zoom, Google Meet, or any other platform. Physical address, if you're meeting in person. Phone number, if it's a phone meeting. No location, if the meeting doesn't require a specific location. Enable group bookings, if this particular booking type is a group booking. Payment options. If you want to charge for this booking type, this is where you set it up. Custom questions. You can add custom questions to your booking form here. This can help provide more information about the client or the specifics of their appointment. Questions can be set as required or not. It's all up to you. Email reminders. By default, TidyCal sends email reminders 24 hours and 1 hour before the meeting. You can customize these if you'd like. You are limited to sending up to 2 email reminders only. Want to send your clients to a specific web page after they've booked? Add that URL to the confirmation redirect URL. Private mode. If you check this box, this booking type won't appear on your public booking page but can still be accessed via its URL. Finally, if you want this booking type to appear in the TidyCal directory, check this box. Remember, setting up your booking types effectively is key to a smooth scheduling experience, both for you and your clients. So take the time to get it right. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.